Hi guys, so welcome back to our new math tutorial. So for today, we'll be discussing about how can we evaluate systems of linear equation in two variables. So this topic will be a very fast topic only, and the only thing that we need to consider here is for a point to become a solution to your system, we need to make sure that our point will satisfy all of the equations in our systems. Again, a point will only be a solution if it will satisfy all of the equations in the system. It will satisfy equation number 1. It will satisfy equation number 1. It will also satisfy equation number 2. Okay? So let's go ahead and try to evaluate if the given point 1 and 1 is solution to our system. The process here is substituting and simplification only. Okay, all you have to do is to substitute the value of x and y of your point to your equations in the systems. Okay, so substitute it first to your first equation followed by to the second equation. First, let's substitute our point to your first equation. So we have 4x plus y is equal to 5. Substitute the value of x and y. So 4 times 1 plus 1 is equal to 5. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 1 is 5 is equal to 5, which is true. Now, how about your second equation? So we have x plus 4y is equal to negative 5. Substitute, so we have 1 plus 4 times 1 is equal to negative 5. Okay, so 4 times 1 is equal to 4 plus 1 is 5 is equal to negative 5, which is not equal to each other. So therefore, we can say that the point, okay, wait. Okay, so we can say that therefore the point 1 and 1 is not a solution. Okay, again, why is that not solution? Because it satisfies the first equation but it doesn't satisfy the second equation. Therefore, the point 1 and 1 is not a solution to your system. Okay, now let's go ahead and try another example. Example number 2, 2x minus y is equal to 4, x plus y is equal to 4. Determine if the given point 2 and 2 is a solution to your system. So, again, let's substitute first to your first equation followed by to your second equation. So, we have 2x minus y is equal to 4. Okay, 2 times 2 minus 2 is equal to 4. 2 times 2 is 4, minus 2 is 2 is equal to 4, which is not equal to 4. So therefore, this is false. Okay, how about your second equation? So, x plus y is equal to 4. So 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, which is true. 4 is equal to 4. But again, it may be true to your second equation, but it is actually false to your first equation. So therefore, the point 2 and 2 is not a solution. Now, let's have another example. Example number 3, 2x minus 3y is equal to 6. 2x plus 3y is equal to 18. Determine if the given point 6 and 2 is a solution. Okay, so let's go ahead and try this first to your first equation. So 2 times 6 minus 3 times 2 is equal to 6. 2 times 6 is equal to 12. Minus 6 is equal to 6. 12 minus 6 is 6 is equal to 6. Therefore, this is true. Now, how about your second equation? So 2 times 6 plus 3 times 2 is equal to 18. 3 times 6 is 12 plus 6 is equal to 18, and this is actually true. 18 is equal to 18. Therefore, this is also true. If your points satisfy all of the equations, so we can say, therefore, the point 6 and 2 is a solution. Now, at this part, let's go ahead and try to answer this example. Okay, so you may pause this part of the video. You can give time to yourself to try to solve for this one. Okay, determine which of the following ordered pair is or are solutions to the systems of linear equations. So we have 2x plus y is equal to 5, 4x minus y is equal to negative 2. Which among these two ordered pair is a solution to your system? So we have 1 and 3, or 1/2 and 4. Okay, so I hope you're done answering. So let's try to check if your answers are correct. So first, let's try to substitute the ordered pair 1 and 3 to your system. So we have 2x plus y is equal to 5. Substitute, so 2 times 1 plus 3 is equal to 5. 2 times 1 plus 3, 5 is equal to 5, which is true. Now, how about your second equation? So 4x minus y is equal to negative 2. So 4 times 1 minus 3 is equal to negative 2. 4 times 1 is 4 minus 3 is 1, which is not equal to negative 2. So therefore, this is false. So this time, we can already conclude that 1 and 3, the point 1 and 3 is not a solution. Now, let's go ahead and try the second point, 1/2 and 4. So same process, so we have 2x plus y is equal to 5. So 2 times 1/2 plus 4 is equal to 5. So 2 times 1 is 2, divided by 2 is 1. Plus 4 is 5 is equal to 5, which is true. Now, how about your second equation? So 4x minus y is equal to negative 2. So 4 times 1/2 minus 4 is equal to negative 2. 4 times 1 is 4, divided by 2 is 2, minus 4 is equal to negative 2. 2 minus 4 is negative 2, which is equal to negative 2. Okay? Since it satisfies both equations, so therefore we can say that 1/2 and 4 is the solution to your system, the given system. I hope you were able to understand how to evaluate system of linear equation in two variable. Okay, so I think that's the end of this video tutorial, and see you on the next video. Bye!